Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wished you could simply drop a PDF or even send a quick voice note on WhatsApp and get an instant, accurate answer from an AI without any coding headaches? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built a WhatsApp chatbot that does just that using n8n, GPT-4o, and a technique called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. By the end, you'll not only understand how it works, you'll have everything you need to clone the workflow and tailor it for your own team. Let me start with a quick demo. I open WhatsApp and type, "Chai, what is an AI assistant?" The workflow starts running. It is executing. And here it is. The bot replies with a clear explanation including 5 key features, all neatly formatted in bullet points. Let's try with an image now. I'm sending an image with the same question. Let's see how it responds. Again, a clear, nicely formatted answer. Now, let me ask it something random. Let's try with voice now. I'm sending a random sentence not related to the document we have indexed. Let's see how it handles it. And here it is. It handles it with a nice fallback answer. No humans were involved. Everything was handled automatically by my workflow. Now, let's look under the hood. On my screen, you can see the full n8n canvas. The workflow is split into 2 logical parts. The top section handles document ingestion. It takes policies, manuals, or any text we want to feed the bot and stores them as vectors in MongoDB Atlas. The bottom section is the real-time chat flow that listens to WhatsApp messages, decides what type of content the user sent, and routes the request to the AI for a reply. Here's how the ingestion pipeline works step by step. First, a Google Drive trigger fires whenever I drop a new document into a special folder. Next, a document chunker node slices the file into smaller pieces so retrieval stays fast. Each slice then passes through an embeddings node powered by GPT-4o Mini, turning text into 1,536 dimensional vectors. Finally, those vectors land in a MongoDB collection that I named Data Index. The beauty of this setup is that it runs once per document and automatically re-indexes if you update the file later. With the knowledge base safely stored, the system is ready to answer questions. Let's jump down to the chat workflow. The entry point is a WhatsApp trigger node that catches every incoming message. A switch node immediately checks what type of content arrived: text, voice, image, or document. If it's plain text, we forward the user's questions straight to the knowledge base agent. If it's a voice note, we download the audio, transcribe it with OpenAI Whisper, and then pass the transcript along. If it's an image, we download it, describe it with OpenAI's vision model, and forward that description. If it's a document, we download and extract the text, clean it up, and send the cleaned text forward. Every path converges on the same agent, which performs 2 tasks at once. First, it queries MongoDB for the most relevant document chunks with a vector search. Second, it sends those chunks plus the user's request to GPT-4o, which crafts final answer. A short-term memory node keeps track of recent conversation context, so replies stay coherent. Finally, we send the response right back through the WhatsApp API. Maybe you're wondering how to adapt this for your use case. If your documents are huge, just raise the chunk size to 2,000 tokens. If you need to save money, switch GPT-4o to GPT-4o Mini and replace OpenAI embeddings with the free n8n embed large model. Concerned about data privacy? Self-host Ollama for language models and Qdrant for vector storage. To serve multiple clients, simply prefix each document ID and phone number with a tenant key before writing to MongoDB. And if you hit OpenAI rate limits, add a split in batches node so you process requests in controlled bursts. You can clone this exact workflow. The link is in the description. Swap the Google Drive trigger for your own data source, maybe Notion or SharePoint, and watch your support workload drop instantly. If this walkthrough helped you, hit like, subscribe for more n8n plus AI builds, and drop a comment telling me what you'll automate next. Thanks for watching. Happy automating, and I'll see you in the next build.